Instagram, how to add multiple photos to story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add multiple photos to story on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to add multiple photos to your story on Instagram, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your Instagram application here. And once you launch your Instagram app, what you want to do is just make sure to tap the your story option here and just select any random photo or video, which could be anything, because we're going to actually add this as a background. Now once you select any random, first of all we will select a background color. For that you can just tap on this little three dots option here and then just tap on the draw option. Once you tap on draw, from the bottom you will see different colors. So now just long press on a color that you would like to set as a background color. So if I want the background color to be yellow, I will long press on the yellow color here, and what I need to do is just go ahead and select that option, or maybe just select that color here. So let me just select the yellow color and just long press over here, and that background color will get successfully saved. And now you can tap on this arrow icon to save. Now we have actually set our background color. We want to add multiple photos. So to do that, what you can actually do is you can tap on this little sticker icon here, and now here you can just tap on this photos filter, which is this plus icon here. So tap on this plus icon and this is the photos filter you want to use. Similarly, you can repeat the process by tapping the sticker icon, tapping the plus icon, selecting another photo from the list, depending upon whatever else you prefer. If you want, you can also change the shape of this particular photo as well. This way you can add multiple photos to story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.